Alright, hey traders, another update has been added to PineScript. In this particular case, it's not actually an update to the language itself, but rather the interface and the tools we have to work with. And this particular update now allows us to edit our Pine code on a separate page, which is pretty cool. This is actually really useful when building out complex projects where you need as much chart space as possible on your screen, or if you're working on a small screen and you have multiple monitors, this can probably help with that as well. So here's an example of how it works. You open up the source code, click on the little hamburger icon, whatever it's called, and you can pop out your editor. Now, one thing we need to mention is that it is impossible to add a new indicator to a chart or publish a script from a separate window or tab with the Pine editor, but all other functions are available. So let's have a quick look at how this works. So here I have a script open. If I click on this little ellipses button thing here, the three dots, we can click on these two options here. Open the Pine editor in a new window or open the Pine editor in a new tab. So if I click new window, we now have a separate window with our editor in it. I can move that to my second monitor if I want to, and I can adjust our code here. So if I change the code and click save, our line is now drawing 2 instead of 1. And that's pretty cool. So you can see that the editor here can only edit a script that has been applied to your chart. We cannot add this script to our chart. In order to do that, we need to either add the indicator from our indicators list up here, or we need to close this out, open up the actual Pine editor, and then click add to chart. You can also only publish your scripts from the inbuilt editor, but you can now open this in a new tab or window if you need more chart space while you're working on your code. So a pretty simple update here, but a really cool one that can help us be more efficient with our coding.